The 2025 Toyota Baby Land Cruiser, also known as the Land Cruiser Mini, or 250 series in some markets, marks Toyota's latest entry into the compact off-road SUV segment. Designed to capture the essence of the legendary Land Cruiser, in a more affordable, urban-friendly package, this vehicle blends rugged capability with modern comfort and style. It's aimed at drivers who want off-road credibility without the size and price tag of the full-size Land Cruiser. Exterior design. The Baby Land Cruiser features a boxy, retro-inspired design that pays homage to classic Land Cruisers like the 70 and 80 series. It sports a bold front grille, round LED headlights, and a squared-off stance that emphasizes durability. Short overhangs, flared wheel arches, and high ground clearance give it a rugged, go-anywhere look. Optional roof rails, two-tone paint, schemes, and stylish alloy wheels enhance its adventurous image. Interior inside, the 2025 Baby Land Cruiser balances practicality with modern tech. The cabin offers durable materials suitable for active lifestyles, along with comfortable seating for up to 5 passengers. A large touchscreen infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while digital instrumentation keeps the driver informed. Despite its compact size, clever packaging ensures decent cargo space and rear seat comfort. Performance under the hood. The Baby Land Cruiser is expected to feature a 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, likely shared with other Toyota models, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and full-time 4-wheel drive. Toyota's advanced off-road systems, such as multi-terrain select and crawl control, are included in higher trims, making it highly capable off-road while remaining smooth and efficient on pavement. Safety features. Toyota equips the Baby Land Cruiser with a full suite of active safety technologies. This includes Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, which features adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and more. The robust body structure and advanced airbag systems contribute to high safety. Ratings expected from Toyota SUVs. Market positioned between the RAV4 and the full-size Land Cruiser. The Baby Land Cruiser targets adventurous urban dwellers, young families, and outdoor enthusiasts. With a competitive price point and authentic off-road DNA, it rivals vehicles like the Ford Bronco Sport, Jeep Wrangler, and Land Rover Defender 90. Its mix of heritage styling and modern tech gives it a unique place in the growing small SUV market. Conclusion. The 2025 Toyota Baby Land Cruiser successfully brings the spirit of Toyota's off-road heritage to a wider audience. With its blend of rugged style, solid performance, and everyday usability, it's poised to be a hit among drivers seeking a compact SUV with true adventure capability.